In this video, I'll be going over my Where's Waldo clone that I've done as part of the Odin project. Links to everything will be down below if you want to check it out. So let's dive right into this. So here is the description of the Where's Waldo project. Pretty straightforward, using Firebase for the backend since I'm on the JavaScript section of the course. And I've also used React for it. First up, I'll be really honest about this. I struggled to be motivated for this project. I had loads of ideas, wanted to do like everything, make it really, I don't know, make it look really great and stuff. So my initial idea was to have a Pokemon themed Where's Waldo photo tagging app. And I would probably build the images myself, have a few different images, those different levels. None of that happened. I tried to make an image, it was awful, and I just kind of started procrastinating and putting things off. So in the end, I went with a really simple image. I've only got the one image, and it seems to work okay. I did use Bootstrap for the styling just to make things a little bit simpler. I use it quite often with work. In the image, I just got that online, just a random image. Let's quickly go over the app. It is hosted using Firebase. You know, it's pretty straightforward. Along the top, I've got this little nice header section, a link to the Odin project, the title, this little drop-down menu which goes between the different screens. I'm not actually using React Router. I just render everything depending on the state, and it just changes what's on the main page. So we can go to leaderboards, for instance, homepage, and I'll go to game in a second. And there's also this login button, which will open up Google authentication and allow you to log in via Google. When you log in, your data will be saved to the leaderboard, as I just showed here. A little bit of a negative, I would say, is that it's not great to have the person's full name here. I don't know. It would have been better to have some sort of pop-up where someone could put the username in. But other than that, it works fine. I will come back onto this in a little bit because there's a few negatives around Firebase that I want to talk about here. But overall, I'll show you the game quickly. Obviously, I didn't log in there. A little bit slow load time. This is the image. These are the three people that you need to find. You click on the image and you say, okay, this is Waldo. All right, it's not. Will be red if it's not the person and green if it is. I'll quickly fade to black or something here while I fill in the scores because if you want to try it, I don't want to spoil it. So I'll zoom in on this, but there's just a little quick modal which says game over. You've completed the game in a number of seconds. When I was just recording this, I'll cut it out, but there was an error where if you're not logged in, it doesn't show this. And that's not right, but I'm not coming back to this project to fix that. Let's talk about Firebase. I have a love-hate relationship with Firebase. Some things absolutely amazing. If you've been following along with the Odin project, this is the first section in the JavaScript part where you're actually saving data so you can use it in multiple places. You're not stuck with local storage. So that is amazing. And also like authentication. Great. I had a little bit of an issue. So rather than doing the Google pop-up, I wanted to do a redirect. That was just probably me being an idiot. I couldn't get it working. And also hosting on Firebase. Again, I kind of struggled with this, but I definitely made a mistake. I was sending the wrong folder to host. I was like, why isn't this working? And it was deleting everything. I was like, no, what have I done wrong? But yeah, I was an idiot and I was sending the wrong folder to host. Got it work in the end. Really nice and simple. Let's talk about the negatives. Now, this really frustrated me. You have no idea how much this frustrated me. The leaderboard page should only show data if the user's signed in. So if you've signed in, it will show your name on the leaderboard. I wanted to show the top 10 people. So user ID couldn't be null. And, you know, I was descending by time. Descending? Yeah. Descending or ascending. I can't remember which way it is now. I always get those two mixed up, which is really bad. And that is an absolute nightmare. Honestly, I'm so, just even talking about it, frustrating me. So in SQL, totally easy. Where user ID, not null. Order by, time taken. Boom, done. Firebase. Nah, mate. Firebase. You got this query. I was doing my where statement, where user ID not null. When you put a where statement in where it's not an equality statement, you have to have that as the first part of your order by statement. I didn't want to order by user ID. That was just stupid. So I kind of made a bodge. And when user ID is not null, I created this second field called show leaderboard. And that was just one if it was true. So basically a bit field. So it didn't matter what I ordered it by then. But that just really frustrated me. It should be really simple to do this leaderboard page, but yeah, it just wasn't a nice way of writing the code, I don't think. So I'm a bit annoyed with Firebase there. I just want to get back to a SQL database. I am quite glad to see the back of this project, if I'm being honest. As I said, I procrastinated a lot. I could have put a lot more time and effort in. It looks a little bit boring and plain, but it does the job mostly. But I am really looking forward, well, kind of looking forward to the next project. So the next project is the final one in the JavaScript section. And it is basically rebuilding a site that you use. I have no idea what website to rebuild, like to make a clone of. Initially, I was thinking YouTube. I thought I use YouTube a lot. Why not go with that? But I think that is going to be beyond my skill set, handling videos and everything like that. So yeah, need to think about this a little bit more. If you've got any ideas of what website you think I should do, let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts because I am seriously struggling what to come up with. I was thinking, Reddit, there's Instagram. Yeah, I don't know. Could try and do like a Discord, online Discord thing. That might work nicely. Yeah, I've got a few ideas, but let me know. What are your thoughts? What should I build? If you have enjoyed this video, then you may enjoy this video, which is happening on screen now. Hope you all have a good day, and I will catch you later.